My name is Mark Gill. I am responsible for IT services, infrastructure, and security for Zuora. So the majority of the AI in the enterprise, so what's used within operations at Zuora, the entire budget is owned by IT. So we take ownership and responsibility for driving the choice, driving the commercials, and then driving the deployment. So we always engage in, when we have new tooling available, we plan the exposure, the information flow, the communications to everyone. We usually provide ramp-up sessions to everybody, so everybody's aware of what tools they have. Then once they start operating, we provide sessions in the form of the champions that we just talked about, or we'll provide ongoing coffee talks or brown bag sessions where people can come and ask questions. And then we help teams actually deploy the ideas depending on the tooling that they're building it in. We help them deploy, and in some cases we help them move on to new ideas.